Hello, welcome back to my channel. I have some exciting news for you. First things first, our website is officially up and running. It is www.nextstepconsulting.net. www.nextstepconsulting.net. Check out the website. We have a lot of good stuff on the website, and follow us on Instagram. Our handle is Next Step Consulting 1 on Instagram. Go check us out on our website and follow us on Instagram. I'm gonna see you there. Thank you. Have a good day. We are officially up and running. The website is officially up and running. Go check it out. Check out our packages, our courses, and subscribe to our wellness program, the wellness membership. Subscribe to the wellness membership. Let's hang out there. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. I'm excited.